Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a update for Windows 10 was pushed today. This is not the updates I was talking about. I was talking about today that there are some updates that will be bug fixing updates with a long list of updates eventually pushed to Windows 10. This one is kind of an emergency out-of-band update to address some issues that people have had. So we talked about the VPN connectivity issue that was plaguing some users after the Patch Tuesday update. This is one fix. There's a Windows Server domain controller restarting that is also fixed. There's a virtual machine start failures, and there's the ReFS formatted removable media failing. So these are out of band. These are kind of pushed because they deemed that it was important to actually fix this as soon as possible. So this is, like I said, not the official update that's coming up for bug fixes within the next couple of weeks. It is really just fixing a few little things that were kind of urgent after Patch Tuesday. Once you update your Windows 10 operating system, you will have a version that is either 19042, 19043, or 19044 that is for the ending 1469. So the big updates that are going to come later, you're going to actually push this to 1499. But for now, you're at 1469. So out-of-band update that's released, it's important to apply them to your Windows operating system. It doesn't matter. Well, it's important. It's not important if you have no problems, because this is an optional update, by the way. But if you have these problems, just install this. It's important to install. There's no security in there, so forget about important. It's important if you have these problems, but if you don't have these problems, it is not a problem at all. So just ignore it at the most, and that's going to be okay. So Windows 10, 19042, 19043, and 19044 at 1469. That's the new ending. This is how you should be if you install the latest Windows 10 updates. Cumulative updates was pretty fast in the install here. It does fix just a few little things. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.